Dynamics is a crucial element in robotics, which may stem from the uncertainty of the environment, the robot's rapid movement, or the swift switching between tasks. Therefore, in our robotics research, we must never overlook the importance of dynamics. If we disregard dynamics, our robots could easily regress into mere automated machines. In recent years, machine learning has injected new vitality into robotics research. Starting with deep learning and advancing to the current large models and AIGC, these cutting-edge technologies have brought significant advantages in enhancing robots' perception, learning, planning, and control abilities. However, on the other hand, we have also noticed that the introduction of machine learning has shifted our focus from dynamics to generalization. In practice, we might focus too much on generalization and inadvertently overlook the challenges posed by dynamics. For example, when using machine learning, we tend to prepare a large amount of training data and scenarios in advance, allowing the agent or robot to acquire certain skills within these scenarios. During testing, we often opt for new, unseen scenarios, but these are often static. In reality, the existence of dynamics means that many of our existing algorithms will face new challenges. As a result, in recent years, scholars from countries such as the US, Europe, Japan, and China have been exploring how to address the challenges posed by dynamics when we integrate machine learning techniques into robotic tasks, such as perception and learning. Specifically, the issues we need to tackle include observing dynamic phenomena, modeling the spatio-temporal relationships in dynamic processes, achieving real-time planning in dynamic environments, simulating dynamic characteristics effectively, and deploying our physical robots in actual dynamic environments. These are pressing academic problems that we need to address. Furthermore, we must consider the dynamic characteristics introduced by the environment, objects, and humans, as well as the dynamics involved in multi-agent collaboration and interaction. Thus, today's main topic is the significance of dynamics in robotics. To this end, we are organizing a workshop on dynamic environments at the IROS 2024, and we warmly welcome you to submit your work to our workshop and join us in discussing the role of dynamic environments in robotics. We have invited renowned scholars from around the world to give keynote presentations. Thank you all.